In this video, I am going to show you how to log custom foods in MacroFactor. Logging custom food is a straightforward process that allows you to accurately track items not found in the app database. So if we go here to the bottom and we click on food log, let's say an example, I don't know, I eat something right now as example at 11 p.m. or let's just say like 5 p.m. as example. And here we can look, let's say an example, apple. Let's say I ate like a fresh apple with skin and yeah, with just one or maybe as example two, you can go and edit that. Maybe two apples as example, you'll be able to choose that. And it's totally up to you to do whatever you want. So let's say I ate two apple, as you can see. If you want to add any other thing, you'll be able to add it. But for us, we want to add some custom food. So as you can see, if you didn't find what you want here in search, you can go and scan the barcode of it, first of all. And you can also EC the label or enter like the informations manually in the barcode. You can even use AI as example, like a photo or photo and the text as example, or upload a picture of the picture as example of the food that you didn't find. There is also the quick add. And this is an example where you can add like your custom stuff as well, where you'll have to enter the energy that's found in the label of your food. Whether it's in kilojoule or kilocalorie, just go and enter it. Let's say, example, I ate something, I don't know, like it's 2000 or 500 as example, calorie or something like that. The protein is 3 points, I don't know, 3.5 or something like that. Fat is 2 gram. I don't know. I'm just entering some random informations for you. Make sure to enter your stuff accurately. An example carbs is that. Alcohol is 0. And name example, I'm just going to name it test for you. Name it as it is. Then click on quick add. And as you can see, it will be added as well. So this is like your custom food added to the log of your food. And yeah, you can also, an example, add a lot of other stuff as custom. You can see something on the library. You can just go and describe something, example, or describe your meal if you have it, like an example, on the restaurant or something like that. And you can go and click on log foods, and as you can see, it will be added right here. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.